So this package just arrived in my studio. It's from Team Pixel. I wonder what it could be. Well, of course, everybody and their mother seems to be reviewing this, so I think we pretty much know what it is. It's the all-new Google Pixel 3a, and I'm glad it's not the XL version. I wanted to check out the smaller version this time around. It has some excellent cameras, but I wanted to see what that polycarbonate finish would be like and its overall performance. Hey everybody, it's Andrew, and this is my unboxing and first look at the all-new Google Pixel 3a. Coming up. Now, in the interest of disclosure and transparency, Team Pixel or Google sent this over as a free gift. I am not being paid by Google. I'm not being sponsored by Google. Google did not see this video before it's being released, just so you know. Now, having said that, very nice of them to send this over. In the box is the Pixel 3a, and I'm glad I got the 3a, not the XL. I wanted to try the smaller one out this time around. And they also give you a really nice case to go along with it. Nice. And they gave me a pop socket with the Team Pixel branding on it, a nice phone grip to boot. Now, of course, there's also a bag in there that's reusable. Always good to have that. 1 month free of Google Fi, and that's pretty nice. A nice package from Team Pixel, unexpected. I'm glad they sent it over. Now let's get to the main subject here, the Pixel 3a. Now lifting the lid, you're greeted by the unit itself, and right away, it feels really nice. In fact, it feels like a really good size for one-handed use. You get a SIM ejector tool, a user guide, a sticker with the Google branding on it, and some warranty information to round it out. Now you also get a USB-C cable, USB-C adapter, fast charge adapter, and an OTG adapter. Now let's take a look at the phone right now. Right off the bat, I love the piano black with the matte finish, nice two-tone. It looks pretty nice, very similar to the Pixel 3 XL we took a look at a few months ago. And yes, your eyes are not deceiving you, it does have a headphone jack. Nice. And for those wondering, here it is with the case on. It's also a pretty nice case in its own right. Now, unlike the Pixel 3 or the 3 XL, it doesn't have a glass back. Instead, it has a polycarbonate or plastic back, but it feels actually pretty premium. It's not cheap feeling in any way. But it does pick up fingerprints pretty easily, as you see here, so keep that in mind. Now what you're looking at is a 5.6-inch OLED display. It has a resolution of 2220 by 1080. That's an 18.5:9 aspect ratio. That makes it good for one-handed use, in my opinion, of course. And they went with a more traditional look. There's no notch on this, and I'm kind of glad. I kind of like this look. It may have some bezels on it, but it still has a nice overall feel. Kind of a throwback in a sense. It's nice to see that. Now, in order to get the price in at $399, they had to make a few compromises. One of them being is there's no Gorilla Glass on this. Instead, they used Dragontrail glass. Not quite as good. Now, it's actually a pretty bright display, so I've had no trouble using it in my first 24 hours. Indoor, outdoors, it's actually pretty good. I'll bring you the final numbers, of course, as far as nits are concerned in the full review, but it's a relatively bright display, and that's pretty good. Now, the colors are very good. One thing missing as opposed to the 3 or the 3 XL is HDR10 support. This doesn't have it, so that's one thing to keep in mind. But again, you're getting this at $399. You're getting an OLED display. That means you're getting those really deep blacks and those very vibrant colors, and it all comes in at a very affordable price, so bear that in mind. Early impressions are, I'm very impressed that this OLED display is this sharp, this good at this price point. Nice. Now, one of the biggest surprises to me was how good the cameras are. They are basically the same cameras as the 3 and the 3 XL with a few compromises here and there, but nothing major. They're giving you those excellent cameras we've come to expect from the Google Pixel line. Now, I thought the rear camera is performing very well, very sharp photos as you can see here, shows a lot of detail, and it does well in low light performance. That's always a good sign. And it has the night sight mode. That is amazing to me, and in fact, I loved it on the Pixel 3 XL. They've imported it here. It works just as well, and let me tell you something. It makes a huge difference when you're doing nighttime photography. Take a look at these examples. For me, this is a game changer, and especially at $399 getting night sight, that's fantastic. I know a lot of people are looking at this for the cameras, and especially because they're only paying $399, they're hoping there aren't too many compromises, and I don't really see any. Maybe the processing power won't be as good as the Pixel 3 or the 3 XL, but that's okay. Look at the results here. These are very good photos, especially for this price point. I thought the portrait mode was excellent. Nice blurred background or bokeh effect. Everything came out really nice, very sharp. Nice blurred background. You gotta love it. Excellent job, Google. So this is 4K video, 30 frames per second. It's almost 8 o'clock at night Pacific time, and here you can see I'm walking around, checking out the image stabilization. The cameras on this thing are excellent. And check out the super slow motion video, pretty good as well. So this is the front-facing camera on the Google Pixel 3a. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about it. I am curious to know. For $399, I think you're getting a lot for the money. I think Google, of course, has those excellent cameras, and they've imported it into this Google Pixel 3a, and I like to see that, especially at this price point. Then again, I want to know what you think. Let me know in the comment section below. And if you're looking for an excellent selfie cam, look no further. Have a look. And of course, it's running the latest version of Android. It's Android 9 Pie. Everything's snappy, everything's fluid. It's running the Snapdragon 670 chipset, not the fastest out there. I would say it's mid-level, but it's actually performed very well optimized by Google. And of course, I'll give you all the benchmarks in my full review, so let me test it, let me bring it to you. But so far, snappy, fluid, everything seems pretty fast. No compromises I can really see on the surface. But of course, the proof is always in the pudding. Let me do my testing. Now, there are stereo speakers on this, which is nice to see even at this price point. One in the bottom and one in the earpiece, and it gets pretty loud. I think the sound is very good. That's another surprise to me. We'll test it out all in the full review. Now, another compromise to be aware of, because they went with that polycarbonate back instead of a glass back, there is no wireless charging. So for those wondering, no, you can't charge this with the wireless charger. That's something to keep in mind. But it does come with a fast charger. We'll do testing of the battery life and the charging times in the full review, coming very soon. So what do you think about the all-new Pixel 3a? Now for $399, you're getting the premium cameras, and that to me is the game changer. Now as far as all the other specs are concerned, yeah, they're okay. Battery life is gonna be decent. The processor is not gonna be a speed demon, but again, at $399, I don't think we're expecting that. But what this does give you is some excellent cameras. The front-facing camera is fantastic. It's almost the same as the one you get on the Pixel 3. And of course, the rear camera is fantastic, especially with the night shots, especially with its great portrait mode. Everything on this is fantastic in terms of the cameras. And that to me is a game changer. But I'm curious to know what you think. Let me know in the comment section below. Let me use it for a little while. I'll get you my full review. I want to do some more testing with the cameras. Of course, I did give you a few examples already. It's excellent. That's the thing. That's the thing I take away from this. $399 premium cameras. But I'm curious to know what you think. Let me know in the comment section below. So please hit the like button. Please subscribe. Please share this video. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know how I'm doing. Let me know if there's a device or something out there that you think I should review. I'll do my best to try to make that happen. Don't forget to check me out on Facebook, on Twitter, Instagram, and of course my website, AMDtechreviews.com. So until next time, this is Andrew from AMDtech. See ya.